Want to know the biggest mistake buyers are making today? I'll give you the inside scoop because I don't want these things to trip you up too. Number one, putting off pre-approval. While touring houses is more fun, if you don't have a pre-approval in hand, you're doing yourself a disservice. You want to do this as soon as possible. It gives you an idea of what you can borrow for your loan and shows sellers you're serious if we get into multiple offer scenario. Number two, holding out for perfection. I'm going to be real with you because I care. You need to remember your first home doesn't have to be your forever home. So be realistic about what you need and what you can upgrade once you move in. And here's a big one, which is the third one, buying more than they can afford. I know this market is tough, but you don't want to overextend too far. If the numbers don't work out right now, don't force them. I've got experience on what you'll want to avoid, so send me a message and let's chat. Thanks for watching. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.